I'm genetically blessed. My parents have given me good skin. I'm from the mountains. बॉम्बे आके थोड़ा स्किन ख़राब हो गया, पहले बहुत ही अच्छा हुआ करता था. But of course, Dr. Sharmila is always there to give me a little boost, a little facial, a little vitamin infusion whenever I need. She's fabulous.
And I mean, Me Too campaign, making waves everywhere. What do you have to say about it? It's something which you are supporting, you are not supporting, and supporting body image.
Absolutely, 100% supporting. It's about time that there is a change. बहुत सालों तक बहुत गंद फैला है और उसको रुकने की बहुत ज़रूरत है. So I'm absolutely supporting Me Too in every way.
And talking about the projects, man, when you will see on the big screen now?
I will talk to you later. Somebody's holding the lift now. Thank you.
To say that because I think, like I was telling you, that I was shooting nights, so I think I have dark circles and all. I am going to do the Instagram very soon, so that's what the magic treatment she does. So your face looks instantly bright and rejuvenated. So I think that's for Pooja. That's going to be my beauty trip.
So especially in festivals when you're getting ready, obviously there's one sort of sprucing up which Organic obviously does. So in terms of looks, how do you like to keep it? Do you like to keep it heavy or light or?
I like light, but I like to put kajal during festivals because the skin part you're talking about the makeup? Overall. Yeah. So I am very desi when festival comes. I love Indian attire. I love to wear saris because you don't get to wear it otherwise, though I love saris. So I love to be completely Indian.
Doctor, I would like to know from you, you must be having these, when you are working on a skin and there's something that people don't have time in hand. So what is that you recommend, which is the fastest and, the instant glam as we mentioned?
Well, if you know about it, everyone's been running around. That's the story of Mumbai nowadays and most of the metropolitan cities. So if you look at how do we correct the skin in a jiffy or instantly, I would definitely like to start by saying that usually people think all these Instagram and नाम जैसे suggest करता है कि एकदम glamorous बनना है. Instagram मतलब just get the look that you desire. Whichever age group, male, female, it could be a youngster, it could be somebody who's a housewife or someone like them who are always facing the camera and they have to be camera ready always. I feel Instagram is something wherein I like to do a personalized, customized treatment. It's part of my own creation, signature therapy. And it's really important when we take up so much time to get ready for a shoot, but if your skin is ready, the makeup looks flawless. Sometimes you don't even need to put on any makeup. Go organic, go healthy. Look at some instant perks or tweaks or pep-ups or pop-ups for your skin, but make sure that it's always healthy, it's always safe, and it has to be highly effective.
सेंटर देखा मैंने, इट इज़ रियली अ लवली सेंटर. बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है फॉर पीपल टू गेट इन एंड बी कंफर्टेबल. तो आई गेस ऐसा सेंटर बनाया उन्होंने दैट इट गिव्स यू अ वेरी कोजी एंड अ कंफर्टेबल फीलिंग. दैट इज़ समथिंग आई रियली लाइक्ड अबाउट इट. And congratulations to her for having such a lovely clinic after so many years, because I know her that she was working earlier, but now I know that she has this lovely clinic over here. So my heartiest congratulations to her.
इंस्टेंट ग्लो फेस्टिवल सीजन के बारे में बात करें, आज शिमला जी इसके ऊपर बात कर रही हैं, तो आप बेसिकली फेस्टिवल सीजन के लिए आपका इंस्टेंट ग्लो का क्या टिप्स है?
मैं तो बहुत सारी होम रेमेडीज़ करती हूँ. I have a particular dermatologist where also I take the treatment, but of course as now we have this clinic which is very close to my house. I would rather come here and try something for this festive season, because बहुत hectic schedule होता है और we need a place which is very close by where we can come and get some treatment done. So I think this is a very close place for that.
So Dr. Naik, is Roma joining you in?
Hi, come in. Congratulations to you.
Thank you.
I loved your clinic and I'm
Thank you.
so glad that it's so close to me.
Thank you. And you're going to be also close
Of
to us
course,
now.
of course, I will definitely be very close and I'll be keep coming here. We really need some good treatments and I guess you are very, very good at it, which I've heard.
Thank you.
So congratulations once again.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. So we just do a picture and please.
Ma'am, look center. Yeah.
Dr. Naik, you're looking lovely today. You're instantly seems that you're glowing.
Thank you.
Tell us the secret about the look that you have, which is the instant glam look apparently, which we all have got together today.
Right. So basically, instant glam means instantly if you want to look brighter and you want to be camera ready or you want to take that perfect selfie, you want to attend an event. Nowadays, everyone is so busy that we are always on the move, running around, and suddenly we realize, oh, tomorrow is my function that I need to attend, tomorrow is an important event, and then we don't know what to do. Is it really going to be possible? I want always a very flawless and beautiful skin, but now can anyone give me a very, very good, luminous, healthier looking skin and a natural glow in a day or within a few hours? Yes, it is possible. If I could just feel free to share, today we had this get together and we had our own event happening. You won't believe, last night I thought like I need my skin to look more brighter, more fresh. So I just instantly got a little perk or a pep up. What I believe is if your skin is very hydrated, if your skin is looking a little more firmer, more toned, if you put on makeup or even if you don't put on makeup, so it will always look more brighter, more flawless, more luminous, and that's what makes it look perfect for the event. So whatever you wear, you style your hair, you wear your favorite clothes and accessories. If your face is ready, I think that would be the hot quotient or the glam quotient of the day. Let your skin and your face speak. That's what I believe in.
Dr. Naik, you're also traveling to Spain. Congratulations firstly for being one of the experts from India traveling and you know, so tell us how does it all add? I mean, why is it different from India to overseas when it comes to treatments and you know, what is different?
Okay, so when we are traveling internationally, there are these world experts where we have a symposium or we meet, and it's just about academics, it's about science, it's about the best technology, it's about knowledge. So I believe if you're well averse with any product, treatment or technology that you use, you're going to give the best results to your clients. And I'm blessed to be a part of the experts symposium, and I've been invited there, looking forward to an academic feast, and I'm always thirsty for more knowledge, and I want the best and most innovative technology to come in India, because I believe if we have the best, we can always give it to our clients who always deserve to look their best and get safe results.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, see, what is your glam quotient?
My glam quotient is her. Honestly speaking, my glam quotient is just her, the Skin First Clinic. I honestly speaking from last 3 years, for whatever people say that I look nice, my skin is nice, whatever, the entire credit goes to her, because she has been really taking care of my face, really taking care of me, and if I miss on to something on my face, she makes sure, you know, she reminds me, sends me the reminder, and she makes the entire treatment plan is handled by her. I leave my face just to her.
So when it comes to festivity, you know, what are the tips that you take from Dr. Naik? Because I'm sure there's a lot of things, a lot of places to visit now, and you know, getting ready. So how do you take care of your skin specifically then?
She, see, honestly speaking, there are so many doctors in this industry, you know, they're all cosmetologists, and she's the one who is a certified dermatologist. It's very important to have a doctor who knows everything of her field, you know. I've seen some doctors who are something else like a pathologist, but you know, they're running a cosmetology clinic. but you know, you can't trust them. She is a proper dermatologist, certified dermatologist, and whenever I have an issue, smallest of issue, whether if a pimple pops up or something, she has trained me so well with the medicines and how to take care. You know, I just need to leave a message or call her, you know, and you know, I have given you this, you know, just do that, and it just gets clear. So like, if my skin is flawless, it's all just because of her. It's just because of her. Absolutely, absolutely, and I dare to do that because you know, she's made me that clear.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you to her.
Love you.
Thank you.
Isn't she gorgeous?
Shriman, what is about Sharmila Nag's skin clinic and how do you maintain your skin? I mean, what is the health?
She's ये है राज, आज सबको पता चल जाएगा. Actually, she's one of the finest dermatologists I've ever come across, and then she became my friend now. So I don't know what to say, because whatever I say will be less, and whatever you see on me is all her. It's all her hard work, and she's fantastic with her job, and she's very passionate about her job, which I really like. A lot of doctors have become all money minded nowadays. All they want is business, but she's all about her work, and she's all about her passion, and she wants to do new things, and she wants to do them better, you know. And she's always asking me if I have something to suggest, which I don't think she requires, but no, it's very sweet of her to sort of it's very important for a doctor to be giving that reassurance to the patient, and the patient must feel very comfortable, and she makes sure that they do so, which is fantastic.
Shall we be talking about the festivity, you know, which is ongoing right now,
Right.
and you know, the Insta glam look. So
Right.
what are your what is your take on that?
Insta glam looks.
Yes.
Wow. I don't know what to say about that. I mean, everybody has a right to look great in the way they want to look, whichever way they want to look. I don't want to sort of comment on कि ऐसा होना चाहिए और वैसा नहीं होना चाहिए. I just feel as long as everybody's happy in whatever way they find their happiness in, and wherever and however they feel beautiful, they should. However, it's very important for me to feel beautiful from within first, and then outer beauty comes automatically. And if it shines, the glow you will see in your eyes, and that will just make your whole skin sparkle and everything. Your whole being will exuberate that energy. So yeah, be that first, and then you can be Insta glam and whatever glam you want.
So Instagram also we trying to say that we hard pressed in time, and then you read shoots and
Right,
events and
right.
everything. So how do you cope up with
Oh, I rush to her quickly for a quick party peel or some kind of glow peel or something, and she does some magic, and then I just feel great. I just feel like, oh, it's rejuvenated, because you see, it's very important today. Nowadays, there's so much pollution in a city like Bombay, especially Mumbai, I should call it.
it's so important to take care of. मुझे बहुत सारे लोग पूछते हैं कि आप कैसे इतने अच्छे लगते हो? Because I take care. I take care of my skin on a regular basis. I take care of my hair, my body, everything. So it's very important to take care of your skin. Go for regular peels. You know, eat right food. Be hydrated. I mean, so many things you can do to sort of shine. But a quick peel always works wonders. So yeah, you should come to Skin Clinic for that.
Ma'am, Me Too movement is creating waves all around. Are you supporting the movement?
Absolutely, I'm a woman. How can I not support it? I think it's high time that women are speaking about it, and it is very important. I feel it's a very, very important issue that needs to be discussed, and not only just discussed, because a lot of times we only talk, we never really reach the actual main cause of it, the root cause of it. I really wish that we reach the root cause of it this time and completely get out of it.
But do you think it's more insecure now to women especially to come in the industry and look for work or
do I think it's more insecure?
Yeah, because there will be a negative effect.
No, I don't think so. I don't think it happens only in our industry. I think it happens in every industry. So just because our industry is in media eyes always, it's coming out, but you'll be surprised. It actually happens worse than our industry outside, where women don't have the media support, where women don't have a voice to speak. So I'm glad that something like this is happening here. At least the outsiders will get an awakening call from this, and all we need is just an awakening call. As individuals, I don't even want to make it a gender bias issue, but I think it's an individual issue. It is an individual mentality issue that somebody think that the other person can be taken for granted like that.
Ma'am, what do you think about this movement, Me Too movement? What is your thought?
ये मेरा thought है कि I think it's fantastic.
Well, as Shama rightly said, as a woman, definitely I support the Me Too cause, and I totally believe we are first humans. एक human being के नाते, I don't think, as a doctor, if you ask me, when a person comes to us, we don't treat them as a man or a woman, right? So when God has created two beautiful entities or bodies, He has not labeled them कि ये woman है तो इसको हम dominate करें. So everyone is a human being first, and just have a lot of compassion towards each other, make the world a little more better and peaceful place for each other.
It's actually nothing. It's just lack of compassion.
Right.
You will be surprised. It's that simple. If you have compassion for yourself, you will never do that to another being. Ever. You cannot do. I can't harm an ant. Forget about harming a human being. So yeah, I have some most beautiful, compassionate men in my life, and I have had some great friends who have supported me and helped me in every way, and I see them empowering other women. So there are compassionate men. It's just the lack of compassion in a few, which is sort of made this whole world dirty. Yeah.
Yes. So as she said, like compassion, yes, and power is to empower others.
Yeah.
So power is a lot of responsibility, and you need to inspire people to make them have a better life.
I think you should ask this question to the men.
Men, yes.
आप लोग क्या कहना चाहेंगे, स्पेशली सबसे पहले तो इंस्टेंट ग्लैम के बारे में, क्योंकि लड़कों को भी जरूरत है कि आप दोनों की टेक लेना चाहेंगे, आप दोनों क्या कहना चाहेंगे
इंस्टेंट ग्लैम के लिए? आई पर्सनली फील कि सोशल मीडिया में जितने भी फिल्टर्स हैं वो ना यूज़ करें, एंड यू शुड जस्ट कम टू शर्मिला. That's a real life. I think filter you can have it, and yeah, that's the real glam you require. You just need to come at this place, and this is what you need to do. It may be a girl, a woman, or any gender, man, or everyone. So that's what is required the most. And yeah, I pass on to James. What do you have to say?
James doesn't require anything. James is glowing forever.
I'll tell you one thing that I do require, though, is I require a nice surrounding.
Yeah.
Okay. And what I can say about her clinic is that it is world class and one of the most beautiful facilities with an amazing view.
Yeah.
I think that her special VIP cabin in the back is sort of a secret.
It's my favorite.
But so now I think I've spilled the beans on that. But
No, you could.
But they've
You are
made
allowed.
just an absolutely beautiful facility, and whenever I come here, I feel like staying a long time. So.
We wanted
Me Too
to.
कैंपेन को देख के लेके आप लोगों का क्या राय है?
Me too. Well, I could say me too. No, honestly, as a man, even here in Bombay, I've experienced some very strange things as well.
Yeah.
You know, being with Shamma, I've gone to a few auditions and things, you know, just to, you know, feel around and get a feel for the industry. And I've had people approach me and ask me to do things. So I mean, it's not something that just happens to the women. It's also something that happens to the men. I think that's something that people should understand. But what my opinion is about the issue is that, to echo their concern, is that it really has to do with compassion and being able to understand what the other person is going through. I think too many people, they get wrapped up in their own emotional feelings and desires and hormones, and that pushes many men who, let's be honest, men, we're a lot more controlled by our hormones, sexual hormones, I think, than women are. So I think it's a lack of discipline where there's men who don't understand how to treat a woman, and they don't understand how to control their own body and their own emotional and hormonal desires, which pushes them to then cross over a line which maybe they haven't even been taught. So, I mean, my opinion is that all men, from a young age, should be taught how to treat and how to respect a woman.
Yeah.
But not just a woman.
Any
Everybody.
human being.
Any human being.
It's a wrong conditioning that needs to be corrected. That's it. Yeah. Thank you. Thanks.
Thank you.
Shivani, what is about Sharmila ji's clinic as such, and how you maintain your skin beauty as such? What are the mantras you maintain the beauty of your skin?
Hi, firstly I'd like to congratulate Dr. Sharmila for starting something which is such a need for all of us. Not just for women in the field of entertainment, but every woman today wants to look beautiful, and that too instantly. So I think this Skin First is a fantastic idea. I'm looking forward to haunting this place a lot, and I think she's going to give a full solution about skin maintenance. It's not just about upping your skin; it's just about also maintaining your skin and making it glow. And the glow is really, you know, the word is glow. That's the magic word here for me. Because, you know, when we apply so much of makeup to make our skin glow, we are ruining our skin. So I think I am looking for a solution where I don't need to apply so much of makeup and my skin naturally glows. So I can just, you know, just wear a lipstick and that's it. Go on stage, do my shoots, all of that. Right. You have the solution for that, right?
Yes, I totally believe in that, and I also believe that's the magic word.
That is the magic word.
Yes, if
glow,
your skin glows, it's flawless, it's radiant, you don't need makeup. I would call it a blessing.
Absolutely.
You just walk out and you are camera ready, or you want a perfect selfie, you're done. You just put your gloss and you're out to conquer the world.
So I think that's a very unique thing. Normally skin doctors don't say that, but you're saying that. That's great. That's wonderful. And Insta Glow, I think, is something that I'm going to be really, really frequenting this place. And yeah, I need it. I want it.
And we won't let you go without hearing a song from you, especially when
Yes,
it comes to
definitely.
I have a special festival season. Yeah, okay. Which one should I sing?
Battery.
something, yeah, which was with the...
I have a song for which I got an award. It's a song called Kya Nazakat Hai Teri Adaon Mein. So, but I have sing that and dedicated to you. She, Dr. Sharmila, is so pretty and beautiful. Thank you. Kya Nazakat Hai.
And yes, my skin being taken care by Mr. and Mrs. Buniyadi, Dr. Sharmila Nayak. Whatever maintenance जो skin के लिए चाहिए होता है, जैसे हम gym जाते हैं, you work on your body and you work on all hair, spa and all these things. So skin is very important. So whatever the basic thing, maintenance I need, she's the one. I handle my face to her, and that's why I keep glowing, you know. And beside my doctor friend being a thing, all this, she's a fantastic human being.
fantastic dancer. A lot of people don't know this. So we party a lot and we are very happy. So I want to congratulate to you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for me being part of us clinic, and many more clinics should open. This first clinic ka franchisee, and she really worked hard for this thing. She treats her clinic like a baby, like a temple, you know, and all her I can't say all her friends who come for advice, उनको बहुत प्यार से जैसे बॉडी स्कल्पचर करते हैं ना ऐसे करती है. So I am तो very happy with her, and everybody should come to her. And again, congratulations.
Thank you.
Actually, we were talking about the instant lab look. You shoot, you travel so much, events. So beach में आप कैसे manage करते हो? You know, just getting ready in a jiffy and just being there.
I always say God is being kind. I'm a juggler. मैं सब कैसे मैनेज करती हूँ मुझे खुद को भी नहीं पता होता है. The best thing I think it's my beauty sleep. कुछ भी हो जाए दोपहर को आधा घंटा Dipsy disappears because I have to sleep even if I'm shooting lunch time पे और wherever. वो पावर नैप अगर नहीं होगा तो मैं ये सब कुछ नहीं मैनेज कर पाती. So and nowadays I stay in Malad thanks to my builder जो मेरा फ्लैट नहीं दे रहा है. So I go all the way to Malad. I take power nap. I do my workouts and then I get ready and I come back. That's energy in my life.
Dr. Naik, what would you like to say about Dipshika's eternal beauty? I must say, not ever been an eternal beauty.
Well, as she already said, she is beautiful. She takes good care of herself and also of her well-wishers and friends, I would say. She's very, very positive. Her lifestyle is really good. Like if she decides that I want to do everything inside out, she will start first with that. So it always starts with a positive mindset. She works out, she has her diet sorted out. And of course, as she has said, we do need a skin detox at times. We go and work out. What is our skin workout? What's the mantra there? If you are tired, pollution hai. So then just a little instant pep up, just get a little vitamin dose. जैसे हम vitamin खाते हैं, energy low है तो अगर skin की energy थोड़ी सी dip हो रही है, dull लग रही है तो एक vitamin infuse कर दो. So yes, I think she's blessed with good genes and good skin, and she knows
good doctor friend.
Yes, and I believe if you take care of your self and your skin at the right time, you don't really need to do too much.
What I like about Sharmila, I know a lot of friends who goes to the dermatologists and doctors and all this thing. She's not the person कि client आया बकरा है इसको काटो. She explains that your skin needs this. मैं कितनी बार बोलती हूँ मैं ये करूँ. No, your skin doesn't need it. Don't do it. Just a power dose is good. Vitamin C is good. Whatever this thing, this वो pep up skin के लिए करना होता है. And yes, I am very particular about my personal care and everything. हर बोलते हैं ना इसका दर खुला ही रहता है. But I make point that I come here and take my beauty treatment done, you know.
Yes, and she follows everything to the T.
Yes.
So I have to tell her and it's done.
I'm a good student, you know.
Yes, and a good person.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.